Greetings to everyone. I'm Carlo Cagalingan, MPTC's Chief Digital and Information Officer. Christmas is just around the corner, which is why many people are using the internet, ordering food, gifts, and items. With the increase in internet usage, many hackers are now on the lookout for your personal information. Kaya laging mag-ingat. Here are some internet safety rules you can follow to avoid problems online. Keep your personal information professional and limited. Do not hand it out to millions of people online. Refrain from entering dangerous or unsafe websites. If it looks suspicious, never click it. Close agad. Choose a strong password. Do not use the same password for all of your accounts. And please, don't use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Purchase online only to secure websites. If you want to buy gifts, check if the site starts with HTTPS or the padlock icon. Be careful of what you download. If the app looks suspicious, don't download it. Think before you click and be careful of what you post. Lastly, be careful who you meet online. A lot of fake accounts are popular nowadays. We all want to celebrate the holidays on a happy note, so it's better to follow these safety guidelines so we can avoid any trouble. From our team, we wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.